Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sushma Patne, a practicing dentist in Borivali West. I am into dentistry since last 17 plus years, and I would say today's era is a digital era and dentistry is nowhere behind. Digital dentistry gives us a predictable solution for our patients, which is natural yet sustainable for them. RSD Foundation course gives us a clear-cut way to give this predictable solutions to our patients. RSD Veneer course is a course which helps us to execute this predictable treatment for our patients. So if you are loving your patients, if you are loving your profession, and if you want to deliver the best for your patients, I would definitely recommend RSD courses. Thank you so much.